Here's how I designed and 3D printed a Tamagotchi Gen 2 case for disabled people like myself, so it's easier to hold with one hand. I wanted a sleek design that didn't interfere with the awesome and iconic front artwork, so I wanted to utilize the groove all around and have claws that snap into that groove like you guys see now. My first iteration was flawed. I wanted a case that was only half the Tamagotchi, but the Tamagotchi just kept slipping out, so I needed more claws to hold it in. My second attempt worked okay. I still had some of the same issues of the Tamagotchi moving around and the claws not properly clamping to the side and holding it. But I also noticed that my rounded edges on the inside of the actual case were causing some fit issues, so that claws, they weren't actually getting all the way up to that groove, so I had to fix that issue. With my third iteration, I kind of ditched the entire idea of that half case, and I opted for the full but sleek case with a bit of a touch of art with the holes. It has now 5 claws, and the Tamagotchi snaps into that case with such a beautiful sound. It holds extremely well, to be honest with you, but I'm not done yet. How is that helpful for someone disabled like me, you know what I mean? Like, it's just a case. Well, here's how. An ergonomic finger grip on the back. I want something that felt good in the hands, but kind of out of the way at the same time. And thanks to Design Spark, I managed to create that in less than 5 minutes. Now on to slicing, loaded up in Bamboo Studios. No special work needed for this print, just simply auto tree sport, only on the build plate. It's going to take 30 minutes and 7 grams of filament. That's awesome. This thing is printing away, and it's coming out perfect. Only a few more minutes left, and we can test out this third iteration together. Alright, and here is our third iteration next to all of our previous prototypes. Turned out perfect, just like I expected with my P1S. So, obviously, let's go ahead and give it a try. Let's see if this thing fits, right? Alright, listen for that snap. That was beautiful. So yeah, this case turned out great. From the front, you can barely even tell it's even on. The back looks pretty wild with those little circles and stuff. The grip feels super natural and extremely comfortable on my fingers, I'm not going to lie. And that case is not coming off. I was super surprised by that, but yeah, it's not coming off. So anyways, guys, that's how I designed and 3D printed my own little case for a Tamagotchi Gen 2. So if you guys like what you saw, go ahead and give it a like, drop a comment, share it with your friends, and if you guys want more, hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys. See you later.